In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M35 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Rosemary font. First of all, go into settings and scroll down a tiny bit to access display. Then scroll down again. Select font size and style. Go into font style and tap on download fonts right away. Now you need to click on Rosemary one. Hit install at the bottom or just tap on this icon right next to it. Either way, when it's ready, go back to the same font style settings and tap on Rosemary font to apply it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!